Hello students. Tonight I'm going to show you how to research a job on alis.alberta.ca. So I have your week 3 activity, and it says go to alis.alberta.ca. Type occupations in the search bar. Type in a job choice from the interest quiz, the interest exercise that we did yesterday. Answer the following questions about the job. So I recommend that you do it on paper. You can take a picture and send it to me. That will be easier than typing it up. But you can also use the 2 documents that I had attached for writing down your information. So you've got questions here. Number 1, what is the name of the job? Number 2, what is the average wage and salary? So that's how much money you get paid. Number 3, what education is required for this job? Number 4, what is the outlook and demand? So is this job going to be needed in the future? So some jobs go up and some jobs are not needed. For example, the oil industry now is going down. So number 5, what are the 2 duties of the job or things you do? Number 6, what are 2 skills and abilities you need for this job? Number 7, name 3 schools that offer training for the job. Number 8, are you interested in this job? Why or why not? So now you need to get out that list of 5 jobs that you found when you did the interest exercise. And so I'm getting out my notebook, and I see that one of the jobs that was suggested was unit clerk. Apparently I'll be a good unit clerk. So I'm going to click on the link, alis.alberta.ca, and here I am. Now I need to go to the search bar, and it is right over here, the search bar. So let me click search, and I said you're going to type in that word occupation. And occupation is another word for jobs. And look at that, we have occupations in Alberta. It's the second choice. So it only has 18 choices. That's good. Let's go there. Okay, yay, we made it to the right place. So we can see occupations, and we're going to go over to the left-hand side of the screen where it says show results for occupational profiles. So down here, I'm going to type in the name of the job that I found. So it was suggested that I could be a unit clerk. Now it comes up right there, and I press the search button and I can scroll down, and it's going to give me the unit clerk job right there, as well as other jobs that might be kind of related to it. Okay, things you didn't consider. So right here, I can see that I've got the answers to some of my questions already. So question number 1, what is the name of the job? Unit clerk. Number 2, what is the average wage and salary? So I can see that the average wage, that means how much you make every hour, is $27.09. Number 3, what education is required? So I need a high school diploma. That means grade 12. And then what is the outlook and demand? So it says right here that the outlook is above average. What that means is that this job has a better chance. You're going to have more jobs in this area than in some other areas in the future. So question number 5 is, what are 2 duties of the job? And I am going to have to click on the picture or on the name here to find that out. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. I see that I have the job here. I have more information. Okay, and it also tells me what's the demand. So right down here it says the demand is high. Now I want to scroll down until I see duties. Gives you some nice graphs. And I'm going to move over this way so we can see the left-hand side. Scroll down. And it's giving me some other related jobs. I still want to scroll down. So right here is where I'll find the answer to my other questions. So if I click on duties, that will give me the answer to number 5. Duties, what are the things we do? So there's a lot of duties here. I just need, you should read them all. This is reading practice. And let's read 2 of the duties here. So unit clerks are responsible for maintaining an orderly nursing station and assisting nursing staff by assembling standard forms for patient charts and routinely checking patient discharge documents. Okay, so lots of paperwork. So I've written down that answer, and now I want to find the skills. So I need to just scroll down a little bit more, and I will see what are the skills and abilities for this job. And it gives me a nice big list. So again, this is reading practice for you. Unit clerks need emotional maturity, attention to detail and accuracy, and other skills. So choose 2 of them, and you can write that one down. And finally, number 7, name 3 schools that offer training for the job. So you're going to scroll down again until you get to educational requirements. Let's click. And right here under related education, it says the following schools offer programs or courses that are related to this occupation. So I can see that there are some in Calgary. I don't want to go to school in Calgary. Here's one, Academy of Learning, Edmonton South. And you can find other schools in Edmonton, or perhaps you do want to go somewhere else. There, so you write down 3 of those schools. Finally, number 8, after you've read all this information, are you interested in this job? Why or why not? So you write down the answers on your paper. You can take a picture or type them up, and you will share it with me to my school Gmail. So that is how you research a job on alis.alberta.ca.